Welcome to the RFLP simulation. In this simulation, you'll identify a patient sample for the presence of sickle cell anemia using restriction fragment length polymorphism testing. Begin by selecting either the practice or test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers no feedback. First, you'll prepare a sample for analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. After preparing your sample, select the Analyze button to view the results of the electrophoresis. Select and drag one of the three evaluation tabs, Normal, Carrier, or Sickle Cell, to each of the 5 patient sample tabs on the right side of the gel. Select the Check Answer button to evaluate your answers. The New Sample button provides you with different patient samples. Make sure you do not select this button until you've completed your evaluation of the current patient's samples.